Anyone tried that one? The one where we have to convert some into digits to sticks. Uh, the one with digits to sticks. Some into digits to sticks. How can you do three things at a time? In the message I gave you one, right? I can't even see that message. Yeah, yesterday. Remember, I gave you guys a task to evaluate this prefix. I asked you guys to evaluate this prefix using stack. Anyone tried? मैंने पोस्टिंग वाला करके दिया था how to evaluate. And I told you for the prefix you need to go from the right hand side. And for postfix you go from left hand side. Correct? Was that clear to you guys how to evaluate it? This one was your prefix, right? And I did the postfix. Postfix was 2, 3, minus. I did the postfix one. How we did? How we did? First, we use the stack, correct? So first, our pointer will be in the first. So whenever we see an operand, we put it into the stack, correct? Next, we see the other operand, we again push it to the stack. Next, we have an operator. The moment we get an operator, what we do? We pop two elements and perform the operator using the operands already inside your stack. So what will be the answer for this? 2 into 3 is 6. So after popping out, you will have 6 and you will push back to the stack again. Correct? Next symbol is your 5. It's an operand, so you will push it to the stack. Again, next, again you are getting a number which is the operand, you will just push it to the stack. Now, here we already got an operator. So the moment we get the operator, we will pop this 4 and 5 top element of stack, perform the operation, then put the result into your stack. So 5 into 4 is 20. Correct? Next, we scan again and we get a plus. So again, we will do the same thing. We will pop this 20 and 6 and perform the operation 20 plus 6 is 26. Put it inside the stack. Next is again a number. So we will simply push it onto our stack. Correct? Then next we go here. It's an operator. So we'll perform this operator. 26 minus 9 what? It's 17. So the result will go inside the stack again. Correct? This is how to evaluate postfix notation. Okay? And I asked you guys to evaluate prefix notation for this one. And I also mentioned for the prefix, you need to go from the right hand side. So when you evaluate postfix, it will be a left scan. And when you want to evaluate prefix, it will be a right scan. Okay? So anyone did it? नहीं क्या क्यों नहीं करा મેમ આપના માથું ઓળખી ઉઠી આવી હશે તમારા નેટવર્ક બેસ again am I audible to others is it glitchy समझ में ही नहीं आया ये वाला भी मतलब पहले का कौन सा तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आया प्रीफिक्स टू पोस्टफिक्स वो तो सबको समझ में आया डू यू मैम दोनों डिवाइड करने से दोनों डिवाइड आने से तो फिर से तुम लेफ्ट साइड से करोगे ना the main point is what how to evaluate अगर नंबर्स आया या वेरिएबल्स आया तो तुम्हें उसको स्टैक में रखना है ठीक है उसके बाद जो भी ऑपरेटर आया प्लस हो माइनस हो डिवीजन हो कुछ भी आए देन जो टॉप टू एलिमेंट्स है और नंबर्स है यू विल जस्ट पॉप दोज आउट and you do the operation. After doing that operation, you will just put the result back onto your stack again. For postfix, see what is the notation for infix? It will be operand 1, operator, and operand 2. This is for your infix. Infix means a simple way to write your expression, maybe 1 plus 2 into 3. Correct? So what is postfix? Your operator will be behind your operand. So operand 2 and then your operator. So if you convert it into postfix, what will be the answer? You will check the precedence, then you will see the associativity. Precedence means your 2 plus 3, this multiplication will happen first, correct? So you just provide a bracket here. Then what you do, 2, 3, and you just put the operator after your two operands, correct? Now you have a whole expression. Dular, I guess you missed one of my class, that's why you are not able to understand. Otherwise, West all got it and they correctly did it. So this one is again your operand 1 and operand 2. And this is your operator. So again, you will apply the same thing. You need to convert it to postfix. So you will put this operator here now. So your final answer will be 2, 3 and this one is plus. After doing this, you just simply remove your brackets 1, 2, 3 का क्लास। दोनों डिवाइड आने से जो पहले लेफ्ट में रहेगा वो पहले आएगा। ओके, एंड व्हाट अबाउट द प्रीफिक्स? प्रीफिक्स में operator will come first, then your operand 1, then your operand 2. Correct? So for this one, you will put your star 2, 3. Then after that, you will go for the 1. Okay? और किसी को
Ma'am,
डाउट
in
है?
the prefix,
हाँ,
ma'am, in the prefix, since we got 9, 4, and 5 in the first case, so we will. It doesn't matter. We have to push all those three numbers in the stack, and then we have to multiply 5 and 4.
yes. Right, right.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And
in last we have to multiply with 9 also.
Yes. Wait.
Then 180 आ रहा है ma'am.
ma'am, since 5, 4, 9, 4, and 5. So, and there was a multiplication after 5. So, 5 and 4 will be multiplied. Then 3 will be again pushed into the stack. So, there will be, so in the stack, there will be 3 and 20 and 9. And then we have to proceed with the same process.
Yes. Process will be just same as the postfix evaluation.
Okay.
Just
Ma'am,
that,
then
yeah.
can I send my answer? I did, but I was kind of confused because I was having confusion
Okay,
after
you want to share
multiplying
the screen?
5 and
Yeah,
4.
you can. Okay. You want to share the
Ma'am,
screen?
no, I can send you the snapshot in
Okay,
WhatsApp.
okay, okay. Okay, but maybe I'm not sure if I can see it. My network is very bad. So you just send me. I'll check
Yes,
it.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can check after the class.
Yeah, yeah. So okay, I just show you how you need to do it. So you have to
Okay, ma'am.
go from the right hand side, correct? So this is how you evaluate prefix. Okay. So same process. First, your stack will be empty. When the moment you get an operand or a number, you will simply push it to the stack. Correct? Next, you have another number. You will push it to the stack again. Correct? Next here again, there is a number. You will simply push it to the stack. Correct? Now here you have a operator and which is multiplication. So the moment you get an operator, you will simply pop two elements from the stack, will perform the operation, then put it back onto the stack. So after doing that, what will be the result? 5 into 4 is your 20. Correct? So now you move again. Now you have a number again. So you will simply push it to the stack. Correct? Next you move again. Then again there is a number. So you will push it to the stack. Okay. Now you move again. Now you have a multiplication. So you will simply pop two items here, perform the operation. What will be the value of 2 into 3? It's 6. Correct? Now you move again. Now you have a plus operator. So what you will do? Again you will pop 2, perform the operation. What is the 20 plus 6? 26. Correct? Next you move again. It's a minus. So you will pop again. So final result will be what? 7. So see, you write it from infix or prefix or postfix, the final answer will remain same. Just that here you are using a stack to evaluate your expression. So in the postfix also we did the same thing. If we see an operand, you push it to the stack, right? The moment we saw operator, you will pop two elements from stack, do the operation, then push back the result. So this is your simple. हम बॉक्स बनाने से थोड़ा इजी लगा. अच्छा, ये using stack है. Okay, how we can evaluate numbers or expressions using stack. Okay, normal way में भी easy ही है. It's very easy. Infix के लिए expression क्या था?
Operator first.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I guess the evaluation process is clear to you guys. This is
Yes,
evaluation.
ma'am.
How your compiler uses stack data structure to evaluate your postfix and prefix notations or expressions. Okay, your postfix is known as Polish notation and the prefix is known as reverse Polish. And in simple way, last time, but okay, I maybe I can just show you the normal one. What was your question? The homework I gave you then. Kumpay homework diya na rin. Okay, one of the question was A divide B star C plus A. Okay, this was your homework. This was using means not using stack. This one was just normal question how you can convert infix into prefix and postfix. This is just simple way how we normal humans do, or it's just without using stack or something. So in case of normal evaluation, what we see first we see the precedence, then we see the associativity. So in this case, see your divide has the highest precedence. So we will do this operation first. Correct? Next we have multiplication. That means we are going to evaluate this expression next. And finally we will do this addition. Okay? So this is your infix. So to convert into postfix, what we will do? We will simply first do this one first. Correct? So AB minus divide, then this will remain same. You just go step by step. Okay. So after that, this one is done. Again for this expression, this is your operand 1, this is your operand 2 and this is your operator. So you will simply put this multiplication after operand 1 and 2. So this is Take this one, this, and finally this. Correct? Now you have the next expression, this one. So now this is your operand 1, this is your operand 2, and this is your operator. So again you put this one behind here. So your expression will be AB, C star, then E, then you put this E here. Okay, so after that you just remove all these brackets. This is the simplest way of doing or converting infix to postfix. So similar thing will be for the prefix. You just need to take the operators in front. अभी समझ में आया दुलार? So this is the basic thing how we can convert it into infix and postfix. Then I showed you using stack because we are learning about stack
मैम
data.
एक बार प्रीफिक्स का समझाना मैम,
कौन सा?
प्रीफिक्स का।
प्रीफिक्स में क्या होगा? सेम थिंग यहाँ पे now in this case again same thing, the brackets will be same because you will always see the precedence and associativity. So यहाँ पे तुम्हारा क्या होगा? पहले आएगा divide AB, keep the star here, then okay. So after this your step will be here. Okay, this is your infix. So divide has the highest precedence, you will put it in front. Now again this is your operand 1, operand 2, and this is your operator. So you will just put it front. A, B, C, and this will come here. Okay. Now your expression is again this one is operand 1, this one is operand 2, and this one is your operator. So you will put it again in front plus, then star, this will remain same, A, B, C, and E. Then बाद में brackets हटा दो, plus star divide A, B, C, and E. समझ में आया? Let's see. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Then I move to the next topic. That is how you can convert infix into post. Okay, this one already clear to you guys. Expression evaluation, there are three notations. Then postfix expression evaluation already done. I gave the example also. This was your infix, and using the pop function, you can do this done. Now the thing how we can convert infix to postfix or prefix using stack. Okay. The thing we were learning about stack, that was evaluation of postfix, how your computer is going to evaluate the expression. Now thing is you need to know before evaluating how will it convert an infix notation to postfix or prefix. So your first will be find all the operators in the given infix, then find the order of the operators evaluated according to their precedence, then convert each operator into required type of expression in same order. So this is just the basic thing. So now we need to check how we can convert it into postfix. So first step is with all the symbols one by one left to right in the given infix expression. So if leading symbol is operand, then directly, okay. Now the thing is different. Okay. Postfix evaluation में क्या हो रहा था? We used to push द ऑपरेंड मीन्स नंबर्स को हम लोग स्टैक में डालते थे. नाउ अभी क्या होगा इन फिक्स टू पोस्ट फिक्स में जो ऑपरेटर्स है उसको हम स्टैक में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, पुश करेंगे. ओके. So if the reading symbol is operand, then directly print it to the result. If reading is left parenthesis, okay, I just directly go to the example. It will be easier for you guys. So what happens here? See, this is your infix notation. A plus B into C minus D into A. Okay. So यहाँ पे अभी क्या होगा? Again same thing. We will process from the left side. Now in this conversion, we will just push back only the operators, not the operands. So first, your maybe never mind. So first symbol is your A. Okay. Okay. Should I go for this way? Okay, I'm just showing it here. Then I'll go show a easier method. So first symbol is your A. The moment you see an number or variable operand, you will put it in the postfix notation. Okay. Next, you scan again. Now we have a plus symbol, which is the operand. So operand, you will push it to the stack. Okay. So this one will remain. Maybe I just show in the canvas easier. So what's the expression here? A plus B into C. Into A. Okay. These things are a bit confusing actually. So always be attentive. Sometimes you get confused between like evaluation and conversion. So what's happening here? We need to convert this infix to postfix. Correct? So first we will scan it. First we have A and we also have an postfix thing. I guess okay. So first is the A. So we will put A into our postfix notation. Next we have an operator. First it's empty stack. So next is we have plus symbol. We will push it plus here. Okay. Now when the moment we get an operator, we cannot directly do the operation. Why? We still don't know the next operator. So we will scan again. So next symbol is B. So moment you see the B, you will put in the postfix portion. Okay. Now we still cannot do any operation because we don't know what is after B. Whether it will be an operator or operand, that's we are not sure of here. So we will do nothing here. We will simply move to the next. So next we have a multiplication. The moment you get an operator, you will check what is inside your stack. Okay. Inside your stack, you have plus and now you are getting a multiplication. Now precedence of multiplication is higher than your plus. So you are not going to push this multiplication here. You will just put it directly here or you can okay do one thing. You just put it here first, then you move to the next symbol again. Okay. Why I did this? Because even though I'm getting a multiplication, we don't know what's after it, whether there is another operator or not. Okay, so we will again scan it and keep it here. Next we move again, then we get an operator. Now we have a plus symbol, minus symbol. So we will compare it with plus sign, multiplication sign here. Beta, I am getting fallen. Okay. I guess everyone is trying to call me and I have a bad network. So I think never mind. Okay. Get back again. I guess you guys will get confused. I give you another very simple method. You first keep track of your symbols. Next you have your stack. Next you just keep it your postfix notation. Okay. So first symbol is your A and you will keep in your postfix form. Okay. Next you have a plus symbol. So you put it onto the stack and your postfix will remain same. Next you have B, symbol B. So your stack will remain same and you will put that number or variable in the postfix notation. Next you have a multiplication. So you will push it to your stack and this will remain same. Now you have C, so you will keep it as it is and put this A, B, C here. Next you have minus. So now you will see what is in your stack. Suppose this is your stack. So inside your stack you have multiplication and now you are getting a negative sign. So your multiplication has higher precedence. That's why you will simply pop this multiplication and instead you will keep the negative sign here. It's minus sign. Okay. Next you have a symbol D. So you will keep it as it is and you will push it, keep it in the postfix notation. Next you have another multiplication. Okay. So now again you will see what are the symbols in your stack. Now you have plus and minus and now you are getting multiplication which has higher precedence. So this one will remain same and you will simply keep this multiplication here. Next symbol is your E. Okay. So E you will simply put it here. Okay. Now you see you have nothing to scan. It's your end of your expression. Okay. So when you reach the end of your expression, then you will simply empty the stack and put it in your expression. So you will simply keep minus and plus. Okay. Now see, the problem here is we do not have any brackets. So there might be some expression that consists of brackets as well. So in those cases, you need to think about the brackets as well. I guess I should stop it here, otherwise it will be too much for you guys. Then you guys will get confused. So today you just process the postfix evaluation and prefix evaluation. Okay? Is it okay? Because then again I'm going to show how to convert it using stack and all, then you will get confused. So today you just see how to evaluate prefix and postfix. The simple one I showed you guys, just the evaluation one. Okay, I can give you some examples. You can just try at home. This one I'll teach in the next class or next week. So just take this week to process the evaluation process. Then I'll show the conversion process. Okay, I have the I can share this one with you guys so that you guys can go through the PPT and check how it works. Okay. Then it will be easier for you guys to understand the thing in the next class. Okay. How ma'am? How ma'am? Are you asking how or hello or hi or what?
Homework.
Homework. अच्छा वो मैं दे दूंगी. So for today, you just skip to the this point. Just postfix expression evaluation. This example we did. So I can give you some more expression. You can try how to evaluate using stack both postfix and prefix. For postfix from the left side, for prefix from the right side. But the conversion thing is different. It's kind of opposite thing. So I'll teach you in the next class. Otherwise, you will get confused. So this week you just process this portion. I'll still share the slides so that for the next class you can just go to your materials. Then it will be easier for you guys to understand. Okay. I'm stop sharing and I'm just going to check your attendance. The postfix and prefix one is clear to you guys, I guess. The conversion one. Sorry, not conversion, evaluation. See, even I get confused with the words. So I'll share the slides with you guys. You just process the evaluation. The next week we'll go for the okay. Logic state evaluation is clear. Okay. So still some students are still confused, I guess. So just take this week for this evaluation. And next week I'll show both how to convert infix to postfix and infix to prefix. So you check the slides, see beforehand how it works, then it will be easier for you guys to understand. Okay? Means see the steps and algos. Algos, everything is inside your slides. Okay? So, okay, I'm ending the meeting now. It's anyway good to cut. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.